Good morning, Las Vegas. Welcome to another edition of Your Insurance Connection. I'm Donald Marquez, your host, and on Your Insurance Connection, we talk about insurance as much as we can within the half hour we have to talk about insurance. Yesterday, I was on Sheila Smith's show. She does loans, and we broadcast from 10:30 to 11 o'clock. I just want to thank Sheila for allowing me to come on her show and get to ask her questions about the loan process. The first step is to buy a home. Got to go get your mortgage taken care of first. And she allowed me to come on our show and just ask her some questions. I want to thank her for allowing me to come on and ask those questions. And also check out Sheila Smith. She does loans right here at 88.1 on Mondays from 10:30 to 11 o'clock. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Happy Tuesday. It's raining outside, and if you unfortunately have a car accident and you don't know what to do, you can always call us. We'll take you step by step. Or if you are injured in a car accident, you want to make sure you go get checked out, get taken care of. And sometimes you don't feel a pain right away. You may feel it the third day. This is common when you hyperextend, especially from a rear end collision. You hyperextend, and and you want to get checked out. I had a customer years ago. He was involved in a rear end collision where he was parked and the car hit him from behind. He did not go to the hospital. I told him, go to the hospital, get checked out. He said, no, I'm okay. But however, he sneezed and found out he had a hairline fracture in his spine. He was paralyzed for a couple of years. Don't let that happen to you. Make sure you get checked out. My name is Donald Marquez. This is Your Insurance Connection. For more information, you can call us at 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. Veronica's standing by right now. We will call you after the show, and we'll book you in for an appointment so we can sit down and review all of your insurances. I want to thank the customers that came in last week and purchased home, auto, and yes, that life insurance. We're selling a lot of life insurance, and I want to thank the community out there and the men and women that just taking care of their responsibility. Because although you may not care what happens to you, somebody has to care, because someone has to pay that debt. And in our population, time and time again, we always talk about financial literacy, passing out generational wealth. What does that mean? How to obtain generational wealth? Buying a home is a great way to obtain generational wealth. We have Greg DeVille on Fridays from 9 a.m. to 9:30, and he's also on every other Sunday, and right here at 88.1. He also broadcasts on Mondays from 10 a.m. to 10:30. But that's one way to develop wealth, is by buying a home. Buying a home is a great way to get started. However, to increase your portfolio, you want to look at life insurance. You want to look at life insurance, and the reason why, because it's automatic savings. Now, if you went to your banker and said, you know what, I want $100,000 put in my account, and I'm gonna pay you less than $100 a month on that $100,000, they're gonna look at you like, what? Are you kidding me? But a life insurance is instant wealth. It's instant. You get a $100,000 or $50,000 or even a $25,000 life insurance policy. That money is automatically yours in your savings account. That money's there day one when you qualify. Money there for your family. Okay, so let's take it for instance. I had a situation with a client. They had an uncle. Okay, they had an uncle, and they thought he owned his house. They thought he owned his cars. He didn't own anything. He leased his brand new cars every 3 years. He was renting his home. So when he passed away, they had no life insurance. They said, okay, well, we can sell a house, they'll sell a car. The car was leased. The house was a rental. Now they took his jewelry in, right, to the pawn shop, because they needed the money to bury their uncle. He had some really, really nice jewelry. And they come to find out it was all costume jewelry. You have one of those uncles, Frank? You laughing over there. I mean, really though, this guy he really owned nothing, but all his life everybody thought he had it going on, and he only had like less than $3,000 in his savings account. But he's worked all of his life. You ask yourself the question: I worked all my life, 20, 30 years on the job, retired, and I have absolutely no life insurance. what happened to that? Because life insurance should be actually, it should be a requirement, just like your auto insurance. Just like your auto insurance, it should be required. Really, I think so. I really do. It should be required because someone has to pay for your debt. And passing on generational debt is what we've been doing for years. If you look around us, just look around the valley. We have Summerlin popped up, Green Valley popped up. Those of you who have been here as long as I have. I was born and raised in Vegas, right? Born and raised in Vegas. And I've seen all these communities grow. And this community on the west side hasn't grown any. But all around us has grown. Even North Las Vegas has grown. Everywhere has grown because that's called generational wealth. If you don't believe in it, look around you. It's everywhere. And how come we don't have generational wealth like everyone else does? Because we have to believe in something. Buying a home is a great way to start. Getting your life insurance policy to protect that home is another way to get life insurance security for your family. For more information, my name is Donald Marquez. Give us a call. We'll sit down with you. We'll find a policy for you. Now, I had a young lady in my office yesterday, and I want to thank her for coming in. Although she may have a few little health problems, we found a policy for her. When we got right down to it, we found a policy for her. This is what I do. We'll ask you questions about your health. We do have policies where we can issue it without a whole lot of health questions. However, but if it comes back and if you have diabetes or if you have COPD or if you have any kind of these diseases, that could change your rate. But what I do up front, I try to underwrite you as much as I can based on the questions I ask you so we can put you with the right product. Buying life insurance is not as easy as something in the mail. You fill it out and send it in, you have life insurance. Just because you fill it out and send it in, you're buying the worst policy possible. And I went online and I looked up something that a lot of you do is purchase accidental only life insurance. So I went online and who this type of insurance fits. And I know they target seniors for this cheap, inexpensive, $1 million policy for less than 50 cents a day. I laugh because it's okay. This is what you got to do in order to qualify for this thing to pay off. So you bought this large life insurance policy, accidental only. Now, if you plan on participating in hang gliding, skydiving, parachuting, ultralight flying aircraft, vehicle racing, scuba diving. Yeah, if you scuba dive, Uncle Joe, do you scuba dive? Aunt Alice, do you scuba dive? Mountain rock climbing, do you climb Mount Charleston? Oh, if you participate in rodeo competition, skiing or snowboarding, extreme sports or other hazardous activities, then you purchase an accidental only life insurance policy. This policy is designed for people with those extreme activities, those type of sports that, scuba diving, mountain climbing, hang gliding, parachuting out of an airplane. Now, if you do involve yourself in these activities, well, you should have an accidental only life insurance policy because you're living that lifestyle. But if you don't do any of these type of activities, and don't think, well, if I'm in a car accident, a lot of times in the car accident, the accidental only life insurance policy is excluded. Give us a call, 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. If you have life insurance currently and you don't know what you have, we'll give you a review, no charge at all. We will sit down with you and give you a life insurance review. I want to thank, the people that came in and purchased home, auto, and life insurance. Also, the people on Facebook. We're on Facebook Live. Just go to Donald Marquez at Your Insurance Connection. Good morning, Frank.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. So Frank is our media manager, and he takes care of the media, the Facebook, the posting, and also people ask questions. They want to know what's their insurance questions. What do we have from our Facebook listeners?
All right, we have a couple of life insurance questions. The first one, this person wants to know, how do they convert a life insurance policy into a burial policy, if that's possible? Okay, so what you do is conversion. That involves a term insurance policy. When they convert, you're taking a term of policy, 20 or 30-year term policy,
You don't want to wait that a policy runs out. You do not want that to happen, because within that policy, within that life insurance policy, you do have what we call a conversion period. A conversion period, you can roll that term life insurance over to permanent insurance. Now, let's say your face amount is $100,000 on a term life insurance policy. However, to convert it over to permanent insurance, universal life, or whole life, which is permanent, you may not be able to afford the price, because now you're older. You've had this policy for probably 15 years. You're a little older. They're only going to base the rates on your age, not your health, on your age. And all of a sudden now you say, well, I can't afford $100,000. What about half of that, $50,000? Then you can roll it over to universal life or whole life, which is more of a permanent life insurance policy. It is possible. Now, you can use that money toward a burial if you need to, but you have to really trust your beneficiary. And I say that because when you have a life insurance policy and you have a primary beneficiary at 100%, you're saying, I'm trusting this person to take care of my final expenses. Any money left over from the burial will go to the primary beneficiary. Now, if you want more than one beneficiary on your life insurance policy, we can make that happen too. Give us a call at Your Insurance Connection. My name is Donald Marquez, 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. What else do you have, Frank?
This person wants to know, does Social Security help pay for funeral expenses?
Only $250. And good luck trying to get it. No, you should get your money. But you have to fill it out, and you have a limited time to get it. So there's only $250, and that money is not immediate. No, $250 doesn't go far these days when it comes to filing expenses.
Okay, you got one more. They want to know, does Nevada allow for funeral prepay, and how does it work?
Okay, yes, Nevada does have a funeral prepay plan. Now, in your prepays, that's when you go to the funeral home, and a representative will offer you a prepay package. And I suggest those if you. There's no other alternative. And if you have a short time to live, the only thing about the pre-need, we call those pre-needs, there's no money left over, because all the money goes toward paying the funeral, 100% of it. And if you don't qualify for their insurance, let's say you pass away, you buy a pre-need for $15,000, you pass away, your family owes the balance, and you only paid $7,000 in it, your family still owes the balance if you don't qualify for their insurance. I say get a life insurance policy. And the reason why, because on a pre-need, you pay for it on the plan for so many years, it's paid off, but your family will pay taxes on that pre-need. Pay taxes on the pre-need. On a life insurance contract, it is 100% tax-free. 100% tax-free. Give us a call, 702-236-2624. Good questions, Frank. Thank you so much. You keep posting on Facebook. You know what? The Don Father is going to come in today, and he is going to be make his presence known real quick, real fast here in about a few minutes. So I just want everybody just stay tight, don't go anywhere. We're gonna have the Don Father come in shortly. We know when he come in because we're here his music. We're here his music, and but he has a few kind words to say. I want to thank Miss Michelle for coming in the office last Friday. And the Don Father happened to show up. He came in at the right time, and they helped me out with a very difficult customer. And also, she's having an upcoming event at the Las Vegas Film Festival right at the Suncoast from April 25th through April 28th. So check out the Las Vegas Film Festival, Las Vegas Black Film Festival. Oh, you hear that music? I mean, the Don Father is now, he's probably getting out his Cadillac right now, walking in, breathing joy. But you know, the Don Father brings me food every time he shows up. And I'm going to go out here and greet him real quick and listen to the music. We'll be right back. Don Father. Ready? Okay, ready. Hey, okay, Donald, enjoy the food. Enjoy the food. Yeah, we bought you some peppers and sausages today, and, a little linguine to mix it up a little bit. I just want to say hello, 88.1 listeners. This is the Don Father.
I want to say that if you go to the film festival, April 25th through the 28th, Miss Michelle has put a little quick film. She wanted to film the Don, what she did. But that being said, check it out. But the main reason I come on this show is because I want to help Donald Marquez. Because some of you out there are sitting on the fence about your life insurance. You don't want to take care of your family. Now, if all the fellas in the organization can come together and purchase life insurance to take care of their families, all the good fellas. Yeah, we call them good fellas, but sometimes they're not so good. You know what I'm saying? They do things. They do things. That's it, but it is what it is. But all the heads of the family come together. We all purchase life insurance from Donald Marquez. And what is your problem? Now, I'm the Don. If I have to come to your house and talk to you about taking care of your family, it's not going to be nice. It's not going to be nice because you have responsibilities. And you not only need the life insurance, but get your auto insurance from Donald Marquez, too. He's a straight shooter. We try to bring him in, in the club. But he said, no, Don. I do my thing, you do your thing. And I appreciate that. But I'm the Don, Father. They let me out from time to time. I got this thing on my leg, it goes off when I'm out of range. They always want to keep an eye on me. Right, Frankie? Why do they always want to keep an eye on me, Frankie?
Don, Father.
What do you mean,
No, I mean you're an important man, so they want to make sure that they keep track of you and keep you alive.
I know things, I got the first. I know things, and they know I know things. I got the first thing to know. I know the second thing, and I'm around these crazy people all the time. We got Tommy 2 times. I always say everything twice. I'm around characters. I'm going to the computer. Well, just go to the computer. I don't want to hear that. Then I got my driver, Mickey. Mickey always, every time I see Mickey in the morning, he always say, well, how you doing, Don? I'm doing fine. He repeats everything I say. I'm doing fine. Yeah. Shut up. Just open the door. I'm around characters. And then I get around you, Frankie. You're a character, too.
Exactly.
Live radio. What can you say? You don't have anything to say. But anyway, I'm the Don Father. I come on the show to help Donald Marquez better understand your life insurance concerns. Everybody needs life insurance because, one day our number's going to be called. Now, you may be going down the road, listen to the music, something happens, or, you got a loved one you need to take care of. Take care of them because you don't want me to come to the house. I don't even knock on the door. I just walk right in. And I ask you face to face, man to man, how come you don't have any life insurance? Anyway, that's it. That being said, I just want to come in, say hello. I don't want to take much Donald Marquez's time because, he has some important messages, but I'm the Don. I'm the Don, and I'm going to get out of here. Donald Marquez, he's eating the food. He don't share with nobody either. He just go outside there and eat it all up by himself. But anyway, I'm the Don. Get yourself some life insurance. Call Donald Marquez. He's over there at the U.S. Bank building. He will be at a bank, but, we know that's off limits because he's in the U.S. Bank building on the 8th floor. Go see him. Talk to him. Donald Marquez, his phone number is 702-236-2624. Tell him the Don Father sent you. He'll make you an offer you can't refuse, all right? He'll make you an offer, okay? Go see him. Anyway, this is the Don signing off. We'll come back again some other time, but I'm going to still live from Don. But until the next time, you guys just keep it crispy. I'm going to steal that from Don. I'll tell him I said that. Anyway, you guys take care. This is the Don. We'll talk next time. All right, bye-bye. Yes, thank you, Don Father. Thank you for stopping by with those kind words of wisdom. That's the Don Father. And if it's first time listening, the Don Father, he comes on the show because he just has to come in and see what he has to say. And he's a little scary, he's a scary guy. You can check him out on Facebook. You can see what the Don Father truly looks like in full character. But he's an amazing person. He really helps me out a lot. We did a little film with Miss Michelle last Friday in my office, and the Don showed up and convinced one of my customers to purchase life insurance. And he pushed the policy to him and said, you either sign this contract, but you don't want to know the alternative. But he signed the contract anyway. Don don't hurt nobody. He's just a good guy.
Anyway, that's the Don Father. We see him next time when we'll allow him out because he gets out of range. But he does have an important message in his own way. He has an important message because we want you to better understand your life insurance. I talk about life insurance a lot on my show, and the reason why, because we all have auto insurance. We spend more money on auto insurance than we ever will think about spending on life insurance. Look at those cars you have in the garage. I mean, look at how much you spend on auto insurance versus life insurance. So if your auto insurance payment is XYZ, and then your life insurance payment is either maybe even zero, you're spending more money on cars for not only repairs, car payment, auto insurance, and you spend more money on cars than you do on life insurance. You know, sometimes that has to change. That has to change sometime. I mean, you cannot continue on this cycle because so many families have come to me, no means of paying for their final expense. And once we get a life insurance policy, they're excited. We can make it very easy for you. We can get your final expense life insurance policy real easy to qualify. If you're looking for that $35,000 or less life insurance policy, there is no health examination. There's only 9 simple questions we ask. No one's going to come to your home and take body fluids from you. Height, weight, doesn't matter. If you smoke marijuana, it doesn't matter. Right? If you have diabetes, dialysis, cancer, give us a call. We can get you a life insurance policy. And most of you will qualify with diabetes day 1 insurance. If you only have diabetes, either diabetes 1 or 2, we can get you a life insurance policy. And in most cases, you qualify for insurance, for life insurance day 1 with diabetes. 702-236-2624, 702 236-2624, 702-236-2624. We will be broadcasting this Friday right here at home of all new Power 88 from Friday morning from 9:30 a.m. to 10 o'clock. We broadcast every other Friday. So this Friday we will be back with important messages. Now the Don Father will not show up. I think he has to be on lockdown this coming Friday because I asked him could he show up this coming Friday. He said, "Oh no, Don, I can't," in his raspy voice. However, the message is still the same. We're going to talk about your insurance concerns. A lot of you have life insurance policies out there right now. You may think you're good. Let me review them. There's absolutely no charge to sit down with you to review your life insurance. I had a gentleman come in a couple of weeks ago. He had 4 accidental life insurance policies. 4 of them. And he's trying to do the right thing, but he had 4 accidental life insurance policies. So I told him, get rid of all that. Because that's, you have a $500,000 worth of accidental death. Let's get you a real life insurance policy. You have to understand, a regular life insurance policy covers accidental. All right? So that's already covered. So why would you want an accidental life insurance policy? I know it's tempting in the mail. You get this information in the mail, but you're buying the worst possible product. Do not purchase your life insurance by way of mail. Give us an opportunity to review you first. Make sure, because I don't like to get turned down. I don't like to get denied for placing a person with the right company. I represent 66 life insurance companies. We also offer home and auto insurance. Home and auto insurance. We could shop for you for the auto insurance. You put all your information online. That's a lot of personal information you're putting out there. Give us a call. Everything we do in my office, we don't share it. We don't sell your information. We don't do any of that. You can't come in my office and make any car insurance payments or any life insurance payments, home or renter's insurance payments. We don't take any cash in my office. You pay the insurance company. I'm an insurance broker. This is what I do. I'm a broker. I'll place you with a company. However, I'm your first contact. For anything that comes up, I want you to call me first. 702-236-2624. Let me be your insurance agent. I want to be your personal insurance agent, just like you have a lawyer or a doctor. I want to be your insurance agent. My name is Donald Marquez. That's a Donald Do, by the way. Give us a call, 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. My location is right on the corner of Sahara and Rancho in the beautiful U.S. Bank building. I say it's a beautiful building, and it really is. You got the waterfalls right before you walk in. You go through this beautiful atrium, go up to the 8th floor. I have 2 receptionists sitting right there at the desk. They call me. I'll come out and get you, take you back to my office. I have a beautiful view of the Las Vegas Strip. We can see the Strip from top to bottom almost. Really, it's really, really nice. And people are like, wow, that's a nice view you have. And I work hard for my view. I'm right on the 8th floor, right in the U.S. Bank building, right on the corner of Sahara and Rancho. Give us a call, 702-236-2624. I work by appointment only. A few of you have shown up and wanted some insurance services, but, you know, I take the time, which I'm not in a hurry. I'm not in a hurry. I don't think you can come and give me 30 minutes of your time, we can get it done. I don't operate that way. I'm going to give you at least an hour and a half of my time. No charge to you. 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624. Again, we'll be on this Friday from 9:30 a.m. to 10 o'clock. And following my show, it's going to be Like It Is Radio with Cheryl Lightford and Franklin Verley. They tell it like it is. They keep us up on the social events and also the political scene across the country, and it's something to watch. It truly is. My name is Donald Marquez. My time is up. Check us out this Friday from 9:30 to 10 o'clock right here at home of the People Station. Until then, you guys just keep it crispy.